NCP MP Supriya Sule on Friday introduced the Right to Disconnect Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha, seeking to give employees a legal safeguard against work-related calls, messages and emails outside official working hours. The proposal was tabled during a busy winter session that began on December 1st, as Parliament convenes amid the ongoing special intensive revision of voter rolls across 12 states. The move aims to address the growing problem of digital overconnectivity and the increasing expectation that workers remain available around the clock.
Sir, I beg to move to leave to introduce a bill to establish Employees Welfare Authority to confer the right on every employee to disconnect from work-related telephone calls and emails beyond working hours and on holidays, and right to refuse to answer calls and email outside of work hours for all matters connected thereafter incidental. Therefore, it's a right to disconnect. Thank you.
प्रश्न ये कि विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। माननीय सदस्य अब विधेयक पुनर्स्थापित करें।
Sir, I introduce the bill. Thank you.
The bill grants every employee the legal right to refuse work communication after office hours and on holidays without fear of disciplinary action. It covers all forms of communication, phone calls, text, emails, and video calls. Employers and employees must mutually agree on emergency contact rules, ensuring essential situations can still be handled responsibly. The proposal also suggests a penalty of 1% of total employee remuneration for organizations that violate these rights. Additionally, employees who chose to work beyond official hours will be eligible for overtime pay at the normal wage rate. The bill highlights how digital tools, while increasingly flexibility, have created a culture of constant availability. Research cited in the proposal links this trend to sleep deprivation, stress, emotional exhaustion, telepressure, and info-obesity. Sule had first introduced a similar bill in 2019. The renewed effort reflects rising concerns over employee well-being as India continues to follow one of the world's most demanding work schedules, with a 48-hour work week.